We are going to have a look at silver gold, but mainly focusing on the silver and gold stocks or the indexes. What's really going on with the silver and gold stocks? Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you will ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. If you're struggling with your trading right now, then click on the very first link in the description and get learn a free training, the 7 universal laws to become a master trader that will boost your success, consistency, and confidence without spending a decade trying to figure it out. Click on the very first link in the description right now. All right, straight into silver and not so much on silver and gold. I'm pretty sure we know silver and gold has bottomed out. We're going to rally 1,000 points from here. I'm just joking, by the way, guys. Silver and gold are just pulling back quite nicely. That's happened with the gold market there. This is the gold chart, just pulling back just quite nicely. If you've watched my past videos, I've talked about how gold is just holding on really, really nicely. This is the weekly chart here. I see gold holding right now, and we are getting ready to run and... yeah, I was going to say that word. Anyway, we're going to break through that... we're going to break through that resistance here on the silver and gold. Anyway, that's not what this video is about. What is this video about? Looking at the long-term... long-term... XAU, HUI, blah, 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 stuff like that, okay? So the XAU, HUI indexes, and what's really going on with these indexes here, right? So now we're looking at the HUI, all right? The gold bug index. Now, what's happening with the HUI here? Firstly, let's take, oh, geez, I'm kicking my microphone here. I mean, my speaker, my subwoofer. All right, so firstly, let's bring this up through here and let's see what's really going on this weekly chart here, right? So firstly, we have this sort of resistance level here. That's the first thing we need to see of what's really going on through. Let me bring this down through here. Let me make this up through here. Firstly, what do we see? We see an overall big channel. Right, big channel. Now we've broken down. Now we have this low, came up. What is this here? Right, so we had this low point through here. What is this? This is a slight, what? Lower low. This is a lower high compared to this high back here, and we're breaking past. We've just made another lower low. So who's in control right now? We actually have a significant support level here around that 160 level, but if my projection is pretty much, if my projection is true, then we have a really good chance, really good chance of getting to that level through there. That level through there, maybe a bit higher. Let's do this probably up through there. So probably around about that level, the 140, 150 level. But we definitely do have, this area through here is going to be a key area where the market's likely to run to. This is on the weekly chart, by the way. So if we go look at the daily chart, we can see how things are just running down. I think we have a lot more downside. I think once we get below these lows through here, then I think that a lot of sellers, a lot of the people that are buying are going to be off the market, and then I actually think then we're going to turn around and then make just an extraordinary move to the high side. So we are getting ready for some serious movement in the gold stocks. I believe this is just a short flush down, a short-term flush down for where we are right now. And then we're likely to see a nice rally back to the high side. That's what I believe. Now, let's go have a look at the XAU. Now, XAU, silver, gold. The XAU, basically similar same thing to what we're seeing here right now. But this is pretty much almost in a channel through here. We do have this low through here. So I would think that they're going to try and they will run the low through here because there's probably a lot of stops down here. And then if that happens, so there's a few things here that I'm looking at for this index here, and probably the main silver gold indexes here. If we do run down and we break below here, but then we stop and then we open, or then we stop and then we rally right back up again and we get back above the 80 level, back this level through here, let me tell you, false breakout, and then boom, ching, 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 ching. We are going to ready to run. Ching, 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 ching. So that's what I believe. That's what I believe is likely to happen. If you look at some of the other indexes, such as the GDX, What's happened with the GDX? We've got a bit of a support through there. Likely to break down. I think the GDX once again is likely to start to run down towards and break these lows through here. That may or may not happen, I don't know. But we've got a lower high through here and breaking down, so looking really weak. Same for the gold mine, the junior miners. So don't be just buying, hold these junior miners, guys. Like, this is just crazy. Look at this here. What do we have? We have a high. We have a lower high. And then we're at this point right now. We are getting ready to run this point down the bottom here, I believe. But once again, watch this space. Now, why am I saying watch this space? Because over the next few weeks to a month, if we start to break below here and then we stop and then we rally right back above, especially above this support and resistance level through here. Let me make that bit like that. There. If we get back above there, right? Ching, 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 la 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 la. Break above. False breakout, false breakout, false breakout, false breakout, and that's probably the start of what I believe is a triple-digit gain in the silver and gold, or basically the miners. What are we seeing here right now on silver and gold? So the actual silver index, SIL, which is basically the silver mining ETF. What are we seeing here? Once again, lower lows and lower highs. Do not be fighting the trend. Do not be fighting low, low, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low. All right. So we have take this one off here. Just use the major highs, major lows, lower high, lower low, breaking down. Do not be fighting this downward trend for now. Anyway, for now. So, and we definitely have broken below that level there. It'd be really interesting to see whether if we do hold here right now, and we do see some movement back to the high side, because now the silver index has closed well below these levels through here, and now it looks like it's just breaking down anymore. So I do see triple-digit gains coming in the actual silver and gold stocks for the miners, but right now I see a bit more of a downside coming in the silver and gold miners. So don't be just holding them, hoping, praying. But if we do start to get that turnaround and we start to break above those levels that I've talked about in this video, then up, 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 and away we go.